Hello and welcome back to Unboxing Things. Today we'll be looking at my $300 Guess haul. So this is what the paper bag that the product comes in Singapore looks like. Beautiful lady in the front, Guess down the front. A textured type of paper for the bag. The sides, shopguess.com, and then the Guess logo. Pretty cool. And on the other side of the bag, this is what it looks like. Beautiful girl, beautiful guy, Guess in red. The handles are made of black nylon, I think. Feels alright, I guess. And now let's take a look at the stuff I got. In front of you, you see 5 different items. I've actually only bought 3 of these. 2 of them are free gifts that came with the purchases. This Guess cosmetic bag, which comes in a plastic bag. The first product that we have here is this cosmetic bag. Heart shapes across the entire front and back. Leather on the bottom. Embossed on the front, but not the back, is this gold Guess. Pretty cool. Let's open up the zip. Pretty smooth. Very nice. The pouch is completely empty and devoid of extra details on the inside, except for a tag that says outside is 100% PU, inside is 100% polyester, and that this product is made in China. Feels kind of nice. This Guess bag is not super duper cool, but especially as a free gift, it's kind of cool. Alright, moving along. The next item is also a free gift item that was given to me by the employees at Guess. It's this laptop tote bag of sorts. Let's open it up. So this is what the tote bag looks like on the front. A simple Guess logo at the top like this. The entire bag is made out of this weird winter wear feeling material. It seems like there are little bits of leather accents on the bag itself. That being said, I'm not sure if it's real leather or just some kind of fake leather. The zips are very smooth. And it comes with a front pouch over here. Not very deep, just 1 hand's length. The back basically looks exactly the same as the front, but no zip and no logo. Let's open this up. Oof. I have to say that the free gifts that Guess gives is really not of the same quality as their purchased products. Like, this leather handle feels really dubious. Look at the stress on the handle. When I fold it the other way, ooh, that doesn't look particularly good. Let's open up and take a look at what it looks like inside. Ooh. On the inside of the bag, they give you 1 strap so you can shoulder mount the bag. And there is only 1 compartment inside. There are little hooks on the inside of the bag should you decide to use the slings. But if you don't want to, you can use it simply as a handled bag. Considering it's a free gift, I guess it's alright, I guess. Alright, let's move along to the main purchases of the day. So first up, we have this. A nice cloth bag with the word Guess on the front. No details on the back. The cloth itself feels kind of nice. But the rope itself is Let's open this up. The astute among you guys would see this circle shape and be able to guess that I got a belt. Very nice. Now let's take a look at the belt. According to the sales assistant, this is genuine leather. I'm not extremely convinced. The leather is textured like so. And on the other end of the belt is the belt buckle. This is what the belt buckle looks like. It's the word Guess in cursive with a little knob. Tied to the belt buckle is the tag, which looks like this. Black embossing on white, Guess Los Angeles, and on the back is the product information. If we look closely at the clasp that holds the buckle to the rest of the belt, you can see Guess's more recent 4G monogram. This is what it looks like. There is also a leather hoop over here, which you might think can slide all over the belt, but they have this little leather loop at the back that helps prevent that from happening. Pretty good. Oh, if we look at the back, there is a tag that shows the makeup of the product. It's apparently made in Italy, and the shell/lining is 100% polyurethane. I'm not very sure what that is. And something else is 85% polyurethane and 10% polyester and 5% Fijimadashi. The lady at the shop must have been misinformed when she said this is genuine leather. But there you go, that's my first purchase, a Guess belt. The next item is over here. Let's take a look at it. As you guys may have seen, I recently got a Vivienne Westwood necklace. Haha. And after wearing that so many times, I realized, yeah, I like necklaces. So I decided to pick up another necklace, a simple looking, nice necklace. So check it out. This is a Guess necklace. This is what the front of the box feels like. Relatively solid. This is what the back of the box looks like. If you look closely, you can see the Guess 4G monogram. Very cool on the back. The material is quite nice. Now if we open this up, we'll take a look and see the Guess necklace that I picked up. The necklace comes with 3 tassels, one black, one red, and one white one. Let's take off the tassel and take a look at what the 3 tassels look like individually. So here we go. When I was in the shop, there was another set of these tassels that came with the colors pink, blue, and green, I believe. But the one I chose to go with is this one. Red, white, and black, which fits my wardrobe just a little bit better. Each tassel comes with one head area and one the frilly bits area. The frilly bits, I'm not sure what they are made of, but they are really soft and nice to the touch. All 3 colors feel the same way, black, white, and red. If you look at the head itself though, I believe these are made out of stainless steel. Each of them have the word Guess engraved on it and 2 stripes that go at the top and bottom of that word. The engraving for the word Guess appears twice on the head of the tassel. Each of these tassels come with one clasp that feels moderately sturdy. Now if you've followed this channel for a while now, you would know that I love myself some good packaging. And this box on the outside of this side with the monogram, and on the front of the box with this nice pretty photo of a lady, look very nice. However, on the inside of the box, this doesn't feel quite up to standard. Because to remove the necklace from the packaging, you need to remove this bottom foam piece off, which is very normal and acceptable when it comes to necklaces that go behind the packaging like this. However, the main problem I have with this is that this piece of thing is not really nicely attached to the foam piece over here. And you may think, you're supposed to lift up this here to get to the little threads at the back to remove this thing, right? Not quite. To do that, you actually need to remove the entire thing like this, which just seems a bit clunky to me. When we look at the back of the packaging of this Guess necklace, you see random holes just punched into the foam part of the packaging, and these ugly metal ties. In fact, look at this. Why is there one like random wire attached to this that is of no use at all? That's weird. But let's get it out anyway, with a twist and a twist. I know I'm making it sound like this packaging is horrendous, but I think maybe I'm making an unfair comparison between a simple cosmetic jewelry against some of the other stuff that we've unpackaged on this channel, like the Gucci cap, which is a much more luxury brand, much more expensive brand, and maybe the Apple products, which has exceptional packaging. The pendant is circular ring shape with apparently Swarovski crystals engraved into them. The 4G gas logo is visible in the middle, very shiny, very pretty, and it has this small hoop in which you can attach the tassels to if you so wish. I probably am gonna wear it without anything hooked here. The pendant itself has a huge ring like this, which pairs with this huge thick necklace. According to the tag that is attached to the necklace, this gas necklace is made of stainless steel 316L. There's no reason this tag should be folded in half because it was at the back of the packaging, but I guess this is the world we live in. The necklace is very pretty, very shiny, especially with the gloss finish on the logo itself. With the crystals on the circumference of the ring of the pendant, the necklace itself is super thick, super shiny, a little bit gaudy, but I kind of like it. The final item of our haul comes in this satin pouch with a red gas that goes down the front right here and nothing on the back. The pouch itself is white, very pretty, and the drawstring on the pouch is this very nice feeling red ribbon thing. Let's pull the box out from the pouch. Does it really have to be so tight, guys? Does it? Couldn't you just make it a little bit looser so that people have a better unboxing experience? Come on, man. Like, seriously, guys, it doesn't need to be this tight. It doesn't need to fit this perfectly. The outside is once again the 4G monogram like this, but this time embossed at the top in silver is the word gas. On the back is the monogram without the embossing. And we can open it up, I'm guessing using a magnet, right? Now! There we go. Very nice. Open this up, and it's a very feminine looking bracelet. Let's take a closer look at it. Remove it. Very nice and comfortably. Compared to the necklace, I think this bracelet came in a much more logical, well-designed package. This is what the bracelet looks like. Moderately thin, very light, in a rose gold, in stainless steel of the 316L series. On one end is this gas logo, the chain, and then a little small flower like so, with some Swarovski crystals on it, like this. A bigger flower shape with Swarovski crystals as well. More chain, and then finally the smallest flower. The bracelet continues to a gas logo that looks like this. And then finally, a little hook like so. This is what the full bracelet looks like from one end to the other. Very pretty, very feminine. Alright guys, so that's a quick look at my gas haul of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like on the video if you want to see more of this kind of content in which I go through multiple products within a single video. How do you feel about the packaging of these products compared to the ones from previous videos? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, leave a subscribe on the video if you want to see better packaging in future videos. Like, seriously guys, step up your game. This is unacceptable. Yeah, this video has went on for way too long. Please hit that subscribe button and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.